You saved a file, downloaded something, or took a screenshot, but now you can't find it. I'll quickly show you the obvious places to check for it. Then I'll show you the places people usually miss, especially screenshots and a weird thing that can happen with email attachments. So first, if the file came from the internet, start with your browser's downloads list. I'm showing this in Chrome, but Edge and other browsers, they have a similar type of downloads area. You'll likely find the downloads icon in the upper right corner of your browser window, or if you hit the three dots, you'll find it in the drop-down menu. Look for the file, then choose Show in Folder. That takes you straight to where the file's saved. And unless you changed your browser settings to be something different, that'll be your downloads folder. You can also open your downloads folder from File Explorer. The shortcut for File Explorer is the Windows key plus E. Once you're there, sort by date modified so that the newest files show up first if it's not already that way by default. That helps when the file has like a weird name that's a bunch of numbers or a bunch of random letters or anything like that. Now, if you took a screenshot, screenshots are different because sometimes Windows saves a file and sometimes it only copies the image so that you can paste it somewhere else. If you use Windows plus print screen, then I want you to check pictures and then go into the screenshots folder. But if you use Windows plus Shift plus S, that is what opens the snipping tool. You may need to save the screenshot yourself if you did it that way. So if you can't find the screenshot as a file, it may not be missing. It may have been copied, but not saved. Now, if you recently opened or worked on a file, you may want to check File Explorer Home. The recent area can help you when you remember working on your file, but not where you put it. It's a quick check that you can do before you dive into a deeper search. Now, if you still can't find it, search from File Explorer. If you remember part of the name, within File Explorer search, you can search for that part. And if you don't remember the name at all, you can search by the type of file. You can try PDF or maybe DocX. Maybe you want to try PPTX if you had a PowerPoint file, or if you had images PNG or JPEG. Then what you can do is sort the results by date so that your newer files are the ones that show up first. Now, here's one that got me and I learned it the hard way helping someone else out, and that's email attachments. If someone emails you a PowerPoint, a Word document, or an Excel file, and you click on Open instead of Download, which at the time I didn't realize was a thing because I always download, but you may be working from a temporary copy. So when you click Save, the file may save back to that temporary location instead of somewhere obvious like Downloads or Documents. And that's why it can be so frustrating and confusing. You did save it, but it may not have saved somewhere where you would normally look to find it. The safer move is to download the attachment first, then open the downloaded copy. To find a lost file later that you already opened and worked on straight out of an email, you may want to go back to that original email and then reopen the file. And then once it's open, make a minor edit that doesn't matter and then save it. Because what this can do is Windows may show you that random folder where it's saving or where the application is saving those files so that you can go back and find that other file that you're looking for. Because I actually helped someone else out with this and it took us forever, but they knew they saved it, and that's how we ended up finding the temporary location. So the next time a file completely disappears, check based on where it came from. If it came from the internet, use your browser's download list and sort downloads by newest. If it was a screenshot, check whether it saved as a file or it was only copied. And if you worked on it recently, then you can check through your recent files. If you remember the file type, you can search in File Explorer. Remember PDF, DocX, PPTX, PNG, or you can search JPEG. And if it came from an email, download it first or use Save As before you keep on working. Hope this helps. See you on the next one.